Today we're gonna do some chicken reports. Some good ones and unfortunately some bad ones. But who knows? Chicken reports can be good. Now, let's catch up with Are Chickens Right Today? What? I'm joking. There's my mascot. There's our mascot, actually. Say hello to our chicken mascot. I'm joking. There's not a chicken as a mascot. This is Miss Dally, the mascot. Say hello to our mascot. Say hi to the fans. She's a little bit of a whiner. I'll introduce her. You can see her in Dog vs. Balloon, Dog vs. Stick, and someday, hopefully, Dog vs. Rooster. So, yeah. Anyway. Going back to chicken reports. Chickens have been looking for worms the past month. Time for some weird looking chicken reports. So, you know how cats use litter boxes and you can just, it's easier and stuff to clean out their poo? Well, we got that kind of idea. There is sand in our chicken coop. So all we have to do is shovel that out. That I don't care, and I just don't want to step in this. It's disgusting. So yeah, that is our chicken coop. Time for some sad news. Remember Lewis in the other videos? Done. He's unfortunately gone. He's unfortunately gone. For us, for me at least, I just want to say, woohoo! But for others, if you really like Lewis, we're gonna have a silent moment. Remember, Lewis, when he cock-a-doodle-dooed, he'd annoy everybody, but some people really enjoyed him, but sorry guys, I'll be right back. Oh, and we're back. So we have so many flies in our backyard. These. Okay, so you can see that word? This is fly. Repellent. It's very hard to see. Okay, zoom in a little bit. So yeah, we have flies like crazy. To us, they're pests. These guys, they just don't go away. I mean, we have so many flies. This became a daily habit. So yeah, let's fly report. So we have these all over our backyard and one in our house. So yeah, I haven't been doing YouTube videos lately. Sorry, with school coming up, I'm going to be starting having less videos, but I will try to get as quick as possible into them. I'm so sorry to the fans that if I have disappointed you, I'm very sorry, but I'm getting very busy. And I have a problem. My dog digs in the backyard. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. Please excuse me for a moment. That should teach her. Now back to our daily basis. I'm sorry about having less videos. Now, if you don't, please, if you like me to do videos, please smack that like button. Please smack that like button, and please smack the like button and try to make sure so I can do more videos. Because I haven't been getting very many likes. If you like my videos, I don't have very many likes. I only have very few likes. That is why my daily basis of videos has gone down so low. I'm sorry, but till I get like good amount of views, nothing's gonna happen. Sorry. Now, back to original basis. Chickens. So, as you see, that chicken right there, I am gonna grab her real quick, and then we'll get back to this. Because she has something to do with the video. Alright, I'll be right back. And we're back. She's also our mascot. Now this gal right here, look at me. The chicken, she's our mascot. You probably know she's an Orpington. She's orange. And so is that one, but she is an older Orpington. Also female. Very, otherwise, naughty. What are you saying? No back talk. Were you back talking me, Missy? No? Maybe? You don't talk back to me, miss. Fine, I'll let you go. No more back talk. I don't care. I don't care. No back talk. Huh? You have anything to say? Oh, you don't back talk to me. Bad girl, bad chicken. Chicken, no back talk. Anything else? Good. I almost put you in the coop for timeout. Bad chicken. You might notice in our videos that chicken has back talk. Look at her. Just getting a drink, trying to annoy me. Oh, she just gave me a glare. You're the better one. Anyway, back to our normal days. Sorry guys, but until I get until someone, subscribes or gets, I want to get up to 200 likes, or at least I want to get up to 100, 200 or 100. Then I'll start doing daily videos every day for your good. So if everybody likes enjoying my videos, good. I will gladly help anyone. So yeah. Bye.